If you start your day feeling tired and achy, I've got just the thing. Join me as we recharge from head to toe with a gentle yoga practice you can do anywhere in a chair. It's the perfect way to start your day or use any time you need an extra boost of energy. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this rejuvenating routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into shoulder shrugs. Lift your shoulders up towards your ears and release, relaxing. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, noticing how your exhalations begin to ease away any tension. Release and return to center. Moving into a lateral neck stretch variation. Reach your left hand across your body and place it to your right shoulder. Sitting tall, relax your left ear to your left shoulder. Continue breathing deeply, keeping your shoulders down and back, feeling a gentle stretch in the right side of your neck, all the way down into your right shoulder. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Reach your right hand across your body and place it to your left shoulder. Sitting tall, relax your right ear towards your right shoulder, keeping your shoulders down and back, feeling a gentle stretch in the left side of your neck, all the way down into your left shoulder. Release and return to center. Moving into shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders up, back, down, and around, gradually increasing your range of motion. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions. Lift your shoulders up, forward, down, and around, refining this movement by relaxing the muscles at the base of your neck. Release and return to center, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, feeling a gentle stretch through your back body. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, draw your right knee in towards your chest, adding ankle rotations. Feel the circulation flowing through the top of your foot, sole, and ankle as you switch directions. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Draw your left knee in towards your chest, adding ankle rotations. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions, gradually increasing your range of motion. Release and return to center. Begin to alternate lifting and lowering through your heels, waking up the energy of your feet, stretching through the soles of your feet, toes, and ankles. Release, clasp your hands beneath your right leg. Begin to point and flex through your right foot, stretching to the top of your foot, sole, and ankle. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Clasp your hands beneath your left leg. Begin to point through your toes and flex through your heel, improving flexibility and mobility through your left foot and ankle while increasing circulation. Release and return to center. Clasp your hands beneath your chair. Lift your right leg and begin to circle open and around for an external hip rotation, waking up your right hip. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions, adding an internal hip rotation, gradually increasing your range of motion. Pausing, place your right outer ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your right thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, breathing wide into your right outer hip. Continue breathing deeply as you lift your torso to upright and release, repeating on the opposite side. Clasp your hands beneath your chair, lift your left leg and circle open and around for an external hip rotation. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions, adding an internal hip rotation. Pausing, place your left outer ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your left thigh open, or to increase the stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, keeping your spine long, folding forward from your hip creases, breathing wide into your left outer hip. Stay connected to your breath as you lift your torso to upright and release, returning to center. Extend both your legs forward, rooting down through your feet. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, hands to thighs, gliding your hands down your legs, gently folding forward. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. And with each exhale, hands to thighs, gently folding forward, keeping your core engaged and your legs active, contracting through your quadriceps, feeling a gentle stretch through your back body. Release and return to center, moving into a reverse plank position variation. Sitting tall, place your hands to the seat of your chair behind you and lift your heart, opening across your front body. Continue here or extend both your legs forward, rooting down through your feet, gently pressing your shoulder blades into your back torso, supporting the lift of your chest for a mild back bend, lengthening through your spine and arms, drawing your shoulders down away from your ears, feeling your neck long. Release and step your feet back to center, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to the seat of your chair, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, hands to the seat of your chair, lifting through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, feeling a gentle stretch through your back body. Release and return to center, moving into a seated twist variation. Inhale, re-lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support, gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest, allowing this twisting action to be a tonic for your spine and belly organs. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, as it'll help YouTube remind you to stay on your fitness journey. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.